Hi, my name is Marisa, and I am an accelerated growth consultant at Google Dublin. I think the most rewarding part of working in sales is seeing the tangible impact that you make on your clients. It's something that you can see the direct effects of what you're doing. It's not like you're just sending an email and then nothing happens. Like, you get to see exactly how the solutions you're providing are making someone's business work better. GCS helps the companies that they work with in the sense where it's people who are often startup founders. They're people that wear multiple hats in an organization, and they know that advertising is important, but they just don't really know how to do it. And so in GCS, we partner up people with someone who will understand their business and give them the support they need in order to scale. I was working with a cupcake client that was trying to grow his business in the UK. And so by working together and getting him on the right products for his business, we managed to grow his account so much that he actually had to turn things off at one point because he couldn't make enough cupcakes. The most rewarding part of working in sales is knowing that I have an actual impact with people. It's knowing that you have a solution to a client's problem. And I think that that's really valuable.